the Tronsmart Onyx Ace. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Tronsmart Onyx Ace True Wireless Earbuds. I'll go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user manual and a Type-C charging cable. The Onyx Ace features 5 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.0 and the Qualcomm 3020 chipset, aptX, AAC, and SBC codec, 13mm drivers, touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX5 waterproof. The case has a glossy finish all around and it's plastic. It has an AirPods case look and feel to it. On the front of the case, you have the charge status LEDs. And on the bottom is the USB-C charge port. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and the earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. They are secured by magnets. The earbuds have a semi-in-ear design with a stem just like the Apple AirPods. It has a glossy finish all around and very similar in look. On the lower part of the stem is the ear indicators, and on the outer face you have the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have microphones, touch control, LED, and charging contacts. Here they are side by side. And here they are next to the Apple AirPods. Touch controls are simple, a few taps to navigate the playback and calls. It also has volume controls. The case comes in at 1.9 by 0.9 by 2 inches. It weighs in at 36 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 7 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Tell me what you're thinking. One sentence is too much for your tangled mind. Don't know what's worse, the waiting or the frustration. It's hard to care about you. I watch you fall apart, like pouring water over your fading spark.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Tronsmart Onyx Ace microphone. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. I found that the microphone overall worked pretty well. Other parties had no issues hearing me and it came in loud and clear. The pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Onyx Ace. Since these have a semi-in-ear design, comfort is not an issue. You can wear these for extended periods of time without feeling any pressure in your ear canals, and the touch controls are an added plus. The downside I see with these is they can fall out easily, and they don't feel as secure. I wish there was some type of fin or wing for more support. Build and quality is what you would expect for this price point. Plastic feel all around for the case and the earbuds, and it has a glossy finish. They do feel durable. And the overall design is sleek if you are looking for the AirPods look and feel. Battery life is fair, coming in at 5 hours and 24 total with the case. It's nice to see Type-C for charging and an IPX5 rating. Now when it comes to sound, I would say these are pretty balanced. You will not get the heavy hitting bass with these, since they don't create that seal in your ear canals. Mids and highs stand out and come in clean and clear, and you can really separate the vocals and instruments. You may have picked up some of the details in the sound sample. I would definitely say these are in line with the Apple AirPods, if not better when it comes to sound. Overall, I found the listening experience to be pleasant. They're comfortable to use with a good mic, and the price point is definitely budget friendly. So that is my review of the Tronsmart Onyx Ace True Wireless Earbuds. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.